No, Grandma. I do not feel well.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, and my throat hurts too.
We need to see a doctor.
At the doctor's clinic,
Hello, what brings you here today? She has a fever and a sore throat.
take a deep breath, please.
Does she need any medicine?
Don't worry, it is a common cold. Yes? Yes, take this medicine twice a day. Thank you, doctor. Get well soon, Ria.
Here is your water. Drink it slowly.
Grandma, I feel a little better now.
See you next time!